The wealthy have always had a strong preference for gold over cash. Their investment choices are based on long-term stability and security. Their financial strategies focus on preserving wealth rather than short-term gains. Their understanding of economic cycles helps them avoid the risks of inflation. Their reliance on gold ensures their wealth remains valuable over time. Their approach to money management prioritizes assets that hold intrinsic value. Their preference for gold is rooted in history and financial wisdom. Their ability to navigate economic uncertainty sets them apart from the average investor. Today, we will explore why the wealthy prefer gold over cash. Stick around, and if you love financial insights, make sure to like and subscribe. 1. The history of gold as a store of value. The wealthy understand that gold has been valuable for thousands of years. Their knowledge of history shows them that gold has outlasted every form of paper money. Their preference for gold comes from its ability to retain value in unstable times. Their financial planning includes assets that have proven reliable over centuries. Their belief in gold is supported by its role in ancient and modern economies. Their understanding of economic trends makes them trust gold more than currency. Their financial wisdom is based on the historical performance of precious metals. Their choice to hold gold is backed by its time-tested ability to store wealth. 2. Inflation and the declining value of cash. The wealthy know that inflation decreases the purchasing power of cash. Their financial strategies account for the loss of value in traditional currency. Their experience with economic downturns has shown them the risks of holding too much cash. Their investment choices include assets that protect against inflation. Their reliance on gold ensures that their wealth remains secure. Their understanding of economic policies helps them navigate financial instability. Their preference for gold is a hedge against the risks of a weakening currency. Their financial planning ensures that their wealth does not erode over time. 3. Gold as a safe haven in economic crises. The wealthy turn to gold when economies face uncertainty. Their ability to predict financial downturns leads them to invest in stable assets. Their trust in gold comes from its consistent performance during recessions. Their investment portfolios always include a percentage of gold for stability. Their wealth management strategies focus on protecting assets in difficult times. Their preference for gold is based on its ability to hold value during crises. Their decisions are guided by the historical role of gold in financial security. Their understanding of economic trends makes gold a crucial part of their financial plans. 4. Gold's role in wealth preservation. The wealthy prioritize wealth preservation over risky investments. Their financial strategies focus on maintaining long-term stability. Their understanding of market fluctuations keeps them from relying too much on paper assets. Their preference for gold ensures that their wealth remains untouched by currency devaluation. Their ability to pass down wealth through generations depends on secure investments. Their financial discipline allows them to avoid unnecessary risks. Their decision to hold gold is based on its proven ability to preserve purchasing power. Their commitment to wealth preservation makes gold a vital part of their financial portfolios. 5. The limited supply of gold. The wealthy understand that gold is a finite resource. Their knowledge of supply and demand helps them make informed investment choices. Their preference for gold comes from its scarcity and lasting value. Their financial planning includes assets that are not easily devalued. Their trust in gold is strengthened by its limited availability. Their decision to invest in gold is based on long-term market trends. Their focus on valuable assets keeps their wealth secure. Their understanding of economics allows them to capitalize on the rarity of gold. 6. Gold's role in global finance. The wealthy know that gold is a globally recognized form of wealth. Their international investments benefit from gold's universal value. Their financial strategies consider gold's role in central banks and reserves. Their preference for gold is reinforced by its acceptance in global markets. Their wealth remains secure because gold holds value across different economies. Their investment decisions are based on gold's importance in international trade. Their trust in gold ensures that their wealth remains stable despite currency fluctuations. Their understanding of global finance makes gold an essential part of their financial strategy. 7. Gold versus stocks and real estate. The wealthy diversify their portfolios to reduce risk. Their investments in gold balance out potential losses in stocks and real estate. Their financial knowledge helps them avoid overexposure to volatile markets. Their preference for gold provides stability during economic downturns. Their understanding of asset performance allows them to make smart financial moves. Their decision to hold gold ensures that their wealth remains intact during market crashes. Their ability to manage financial risk makes gold a key part of their investment strategy. 8. Central banks and gold reserves. The wealthy pay attention to the actions of central banks. Their financial strategies align with global economic policies. Their preference for gold is reinforced by the fact that central banks continue to hold large reserves. Their understanding of monetary policy helps them anticipate market trends. Their investments in gold mirror the strategies of the world's most powerful financial institutions. Their knowledge of economic history confirms the importance of gold in preserving wealth. Their ability to predict financial shifts allows them to make informed investment choices. 9. Gold and privacy in wealth management. The wealthy value financial privacy and security. Their investments in gold allow them to keep their wealth discreet. Their preference for gold is based on its ability to be held outside the banking system. Their understanding of financial regulations helps them protect their assets. Their ability to store wealth privately makes gold a preferred choice. Their financial independence is strengthened by gold's lack of counterparty risk. Their trust in gold ensures that their assets remain secure and accessible. 10. The future of gold in wealth protection. The wealthy are always looking ahead when making investment decisions. Their belief in gold is based on its continued relevance in modern finance. Their financial strategies adapt to changing economic conditions. Their preference for gold ensures that their wealth remains protected in the long run. Their understanding of historical trends reinforces their trust in gold's value. Their ability to manage wealth successfully depends on secure investments. Their commitment to financial security makes gold a crucial asset for the future. The wealthy prefer gold over cash because of its stability, scarcity, and ability to preserve wealth. Their financial strategies focus on long-term security rather than short-term gains. Their understanding of inflation and economic crises reinforces their trust in gold. Their investment choices align with the strategies of central banks and financial experts. Their ability to maintain wealth for generations is supported by their reliance on gold. Their financial discipline allows them to make informed and secure investment decisions. Their wealth remains protected because they prioritize assets with lasting value. If you love learning about smart financial strategies, make sure to like and subscribe.